Hello, Location Explorer. Welcome to iWhere Official. Life360 is a popular location sharing app that helps friends and family stay connected. Understanding how it handles location checks and privacy can enhance your experience with the app. Does Life360 notify when someone checks your location? Life360 does not send notifications when someone in your circle checks your location. The app allows location sharing without constant notifications, maintaining a balance between transparency and privacy. Users cannot track you on Life360 without your knowledge, as mutual consent is required for location sharing. Let me know if you have more questions. To stop people from tracking your location on Life360, you can use the iWhere iPhone location changer. Trick location-based apps by setting your GPS to any desired location. Create routes with customized speeds for different modes of transportation. First, download iWhere from the official website and launch the application. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Once connected, open the iWhere iPhone location changer on your computer. In the main interface, select the Modify Location option. You can enter the new location you want to simulate by inputting the address or coordinates, or by selecting it directly on the map. After choosing your desired location, click the Confirm Modify button to apply the changes to your device. Your iPhone will now display the selected location as your current one. Turn on airplane mode. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen or down from the top right on newer iPhones to open the control center. Tap the airplane icon to turn on airplane mode. This will disable all wireless connections, including cellular data, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. You'll see an airplane icon replace the signal bars at the top of your screen, confirming that airplane mode is active. Disable Life360 app location access. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on Privacy. After that, select Location Services. Next, find and select Life360 from the list of apps. Finally, choose Never to prevent Life360 from accessing your location. By doing this, the app will no longer be able to track your location. Can you track someone on Life360 without them knowing? No, you cannot track someone on Life360 without their knowledge. Life360 is designed with user consent and privacy in mind. For Life360 to work, the user must install the app and create an account. The app requests permission to access location data, which the user can accept or deny. Users must actively join a circle and agree to share their location with other members. Location sharing settings are customizable, allowing users to control when and how they share their location. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for your support.